Create an empty complex hook file to demonstrate copy the interval between columns in column copy interface. When copying columns to the left or right, can set the interval between the columns to copy. This video first demonstrates the results of column copying when the intervals between the columns are 2 and 3 respectively. Edit a column of data in the leftmost column, the first column, of the module's matrix in increments from top to bottom. If the interval between columns when copying is set to 2, when copying from left to right, the number of columns increases by 2. If the interval between columns when copying is set to 3, when copying from left to right, the number of columns increases by 3. Please remember, what you see is what you get. The best way is to check the result of this operation in the preview interface after each operation. Please note that in the column copy interface, clear all data of hook file. Only the data's in currently edited column is retained, and the data's in other columns is cleared. When clearing the data of the currently edited column, please clear the current column in the column edit interface. Please note that when the columns are copied, the difference between the two columns is set by the number of hooks of data increment. I will post a video about the number of hooks of data increment on YouTube. The smart tools in the column copy interface are very flexible, as long as there are rules to follow, can be used to quickly complete hook file editing. Copy the interval between columns in column copy interface. For another rule, at the end of this video, a complex hook file that may be used in practice is demonstrated. First, edit a column of special data. Please note that the values of this column of data are all odd numbers. The interval between columns when copying is set to 2, and the number of hooks of data increment is set to 32. Then copy to the right. Complete hook file editing of odd value data. After the column is copied, please check the result of this column copy in the preview interface. In the same way, column edit the second column. The values of column edit data are all even numbers. The interval between columns when copying is set to 2, and the number of hooks of data increment is set to 32. Then copy to the right. Complete hook file editing of even value data. Please try by yourself.